welcome to the project Aarhus Interactive. My name is Julie Winsky and I represent the lead partner in this project, Aarhus Filmværksted. Where I'm sitting right now is the main office for the projects, where most of the involved people have been sitting and working, where we have had several of meetings, workshops and tests. So I will now introduce you to the two projects and to some of the people who have made this project happen.
My name is Pelle Sølkjær Christensen and I'm the production manager on Flux and the Slum Challenge interactive documentaries. We have received funding for proof of concepts and decided to make two different interactive projects for Flux and the Slum Challenge. We have been building two separate projects with different sorts of focus, but have been able to provide two very different interactive experiences for interactive movies.
My name is Jonas and I'm a part of the company Rawfilm, who is behind the project The Slum Challenge. We've been a part of SharePlay's Aarhus Interactive the past half a year or so, and it's been a big challenge as well as a very good experience. The reason why we went into this project was to fill out the holes that we couldn't fill out ourselves. And it's primarily we've been doing the filming and we've needed some other people to see how you can make interactive filming. After this project we have a wireframe and a know-how that we can use in other projects, and already we've been contacted by others who like the interactive part and the filming, so we look forward to the future with interactive storytelling.
My name is Christian. I'm one of the developers on the Slum Challenge. I worked along with the other Christian and Pelle on implementing the web player and all the interactive features on the Slum Challenge. Along with that, I worked with Katrine Mark, who did the graphics for the Slum Challenge, and the Rawfilm guys who did all the recording and creative ideas for the whole process. We had a lot of challenges working with the articles in the production. They took up more space than I initially estimated they would. Along with that, the video player, which was done in HTML5, we decided to use a framework, Video.js, which did a lot of grunt work for us, but also introduced a couple of new problems underway, which we had to wrestle with a bit.
My name is Subi Helminen and I am the mastermind behind Flux, I guess. I'm the director of the project. So the purpose of this prototype was to test if we can make a narrative that is personalized and which adapts to each individual user, depending on some information they reveal about themselves and some information the characters have revealed about themselves. The other thing we wanted to test was if you can do a navigation with visuals and symbols without a lot of text, as is often the case in interactive documentaries. We've just user tested, and I think on some levels we succeeded, and on others we still have something to work on. In the future we're going to test several other features and interactions in this project and try to iterate the design depending on the result of these user tests.
My name is John and I've been programming Flux, mainly working on the server backend nitty-gritty details of that stuff, but also I've had my hand in some of the design work.
Along with John, I also worked on Flux, where I did all the front-end stuff, most of the front-end stuff anyway. I think John did a bit of it as well. And we worked a lot on the gender shapes and how the variables of gender should be presented visually, and how the flow between videos needed to work along with the theme and the storytelling from Suvi's production.
Flux is a transmedia project where the central piece is an interactive web documentary which explores the construct of gender. And through the Flux experience, we're hoping that the outcome will be that people will begin to question the gender binaries that we've kind of been stuck in for many years, and to bring more nuances into the discussion about gender that's ongoing right now, which is really polarized and opinionated.